How to factor trinomials with leading coefficient 1. Factor the polynomial completely. We have x squared minus 3x minus 18. So this is a case where we have a trinomial, 3 terms, with a leading coefficient of 1. First, we're going to factor out any GCF. Looking at our 3 terms, we don't have any GCF here. So then we'll move on to the second step. Given x squared plus bx plus c, find two real numbers, e and f, such that e plus f equals b, and e times f equals c. So off to the side here, we're going to look for two real numbers, such that if we add them to each other, we get b, which is negative 3. Also, if we multiply them together, we should get c, which is negative 18. It might be a little easier to think about what factors of negative 18 would add to get negative 3. Let's start testing some out. Negative 1 times 18 multiplies to get negative 18, but will not add to negative 3. 1 times negative 18, same thing. We could have 2 times negative 9. That would multiply to negative 18, but that would not add to negative 3. Negative 2 times 9, extend that, will multiply to negative 18, but will not add to negative 3. Negative 3 times 6, that would multiply to negative 18, but will add to positive 3. So it looks like the two numbers that we're going to use is a positive 3 and a negative 6. Positive 3 and a negative 6 will add to negative 3, and they will also multiply to negative 18. So then the factored form of a polynomial x squared minus 3x minus 18 will be x plus the value that we found here, 3. So we'll have x plus 3 times x plus the second value that we found. So this would be x plus negative 6, but we can go ahead and simply write that as x plus 3 times x minus 6. And that is a factored form of our polynomial. Remember, you can always check your factored form by multiplying your result back out. That is all.